Joe Clark, the batter. The Giants have not had the lead in these two games. A 3-2 count, a split finger fastball by Mike Moore, pounced on by Terry Steinbach, the Oakland catcher. But look at the tough throw that he had to complete the play with Brett Butler running between him and Clark. Flash forward to the bottom of the fourth inning. Dave Parker barely by inches just misses a home run. Candy Maldonado with the hesitation, allowing Jose Canseco to score, and he fails to get Dave Parker at second base. So the Oakland A's take.
I'll tell you what, we have an
Attention. 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 This is not a simulacrum. This is an earthquake 6,0 degrees. Please keep calm. Seek shelter. Keep your family together. This is not a simulacrum. This is an earthquake 6,0 degrees. Please keep calm. Seek shelter.